How upset am I? A lot. What a disappointment. Very big. Because we have a hole in the sink thing. We got a new one, but it's not the same. Look at the mess. Vanlife. Yeah. Today. It's a really exciting day. We go for laundry. What an emotion. Woohoo! Windmill. That's our laundry. 18 kilos, a lot. So it's €8 plus probably a couple euro for the secador. Oh, where's the toilet? Well, it's a little bit outdoor. You say you need a toilet.
Oh my god!
Oh, you can have a nice poo in the outdoor.
Seriously.
Let's kiss him from the camera. Laundry is done. The only problem is that even with half an hour drying, everything needs to be just hanged around somewhere outside because it's still damp. So today we're gonna leave the seaside and we go inland 15 kilometers to old school garage with Rodrigo. We're gonna probably fix some minor stuff in the van, and tomorrow we're gonna install the new Webasto heating system. That's great. We are back at old school garage. We kind of love these places because you can feel the VW love around all these cars. Look at these beauty. Look at these. It's really a wonderful one with everything inside. That's just a beautiful one. And inside you can see the working is like a full restoration. It's really I don't want to touch it, it's too beautiful. And as well a Beetle right here, and there's a T3 and a T2 down there. It smells of VW, it's just amazing. As you can see, I'm taking out the big guns because with Rodrigo we have a really nice deal, so I will do a video for his business and he will fix Mork. You know, it's VW love. As you can see, we arrived again to the beautiful lagoon. Yeah, we're gonna stay here for the night just because we love the place, and I did the shooting today at old school garage. So happy about the footage. We're gonna go back tomorrow and start the work with the Mork with work. Start the Mork with work. We decide not going for the tires, first of all because the BF, the size that we want, they're not available in Portugal, so we can't find them. We saw a cheaper option, Chinese one, Ling Long. Nah, it's a German guy down there. He will not like any Chinese things. So we decide we want to wait and do it as it has to, you know, just spot on. La. Boom, Mork. we start to put all the pieces of the Webasto right in front of the van. We're gonna put the table here so it will be easy to work. So happy about that. We did it again, garage life, yeah. We are inside the old school garage, so we didn't finish today. We tested the Webasto, was working, hot here, very hot. So as I have to do, to take the video and some picture tomorrow morning, Rodrigo will come back here, even if it's holiday, because it's just before Easter. We'll come back here. We're gonna finish the job and we're pretty much done here. I mean, this is going back to last summer when we spent the last month in Fori's garage from Galicia while rebuilding Mork. So that's our home for tonight. Garage life, yeah. Long night last night, but it was raining, was pouring down, but we were, as you can see, inside old school garage. Hopefully in the afternoon we're gonna be on the road. Wow, we just stopped on the way to the lake for some really nice waterfall, really beautiful, and you can feel the air, it's different, it's fresh. Hello Ziggy, he's tired, I'm tired too. Come on, the last 15 kilometers and we get to the point. Come on, come on, come on, good boy, it's a good boy. Let's go. road. It's a pain in the arse. It's tiny. It's up and down. There's a lot of holes. But it's really scenic. It's really wonderful. It's beautiful. So this is the border, frontera, between Portugal and Spain. Here we go. Ciao Portugal. Thank you so much, Portugal. You've been so kind. After 350 kilometers from Nazaré, the reward that will be a nice hot bath that will be enchantable. I don't know where to start. Can Armando drive more than 350 kilometers in one day? Yes. He just did it. And the reward was about taking a hot bath in a thermal pool, hot spring in Spain. Problem is, this pool is just nearby a lake, and seems that there's a little bit too much water in the lake.
Spring runoff.
So the spring is not existing anymore, at least for now. So great, huh? Just when you think that you can have the best Easter ever, you know, it's just not happening. So just ask some locals. You see the level of the lake. It's too much water. What happened is that the lake just covered the hot spring. Can I say? Yes, I just did. I was dreaming about the hot spring. Gosh, what a disappointment. Very big, very big. Now I need to find some other hot spring because I have that in my head and I need to find some.